Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for December and it is Lookfantastic. This is how it arrives through the post. Lookfantastic is a monthly beauty subscription box that ships worldwide and it costs £15 a box. If you opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription, then you can get this box at a discounted price. This is a PR box. Lookfantastic send me their beauty boxes once a month, so I'm able to share with you. I do have a refer a friend code, which is Diaryofabeautygeek. I'll pop that down below and that will entitle you to receive a couple of pound off your first box. If I can find any other codes and all offers that Lookfantastic currently have on their website, then you will find them all listed down there, including a giveaway to win an advent calendar I've got running on my Instagram page. You'll find it all listed down there. So let's get on to opening the December box. I can never open and tidy. I don't know how people do it. I'm always ripping mine to shreds. As always, we've got a QR code, so I'll scan that to see what it says. It mentions that they've released a Christmas Eve edit. You might have seen it already on my channel. I unboxed it about 2 weeks ago, I think so. And it gives you a sneak peek for next month. So in our January box, we'll receive a Weleda Skin Food Original Ultra Rich Cream, 10ml, and it's worth £2.99. There. So we'll all receive one of those in our box next month. There's 6 products in the box. We'll all receive 3 of the same. And then the last 3 items, there's a variation. So I'll just show you the ones that we'll all receive first. Starting off with one of these. It's a headband. This is by Brushworks. It's a cloud headband, limited edition with Lookfantastic. I really like these. I think they're really, really cool. I don't own one, but you see everyone wearing them all over TikTok and Instagram. Yeah, they're really cool. I really like it. This cloud headband is worth £10. It says, we've teamed up with the beauty tool experts from Brushworks to bring you an exclusive new product. Made from luxurious and absorbent terry cloth, this lightweight headband is perfect for keeping your hair away from your face as you carry out your everyday skincare and makeup routine. Designed for both comfort and style, get ready to discover your new favourite beauty accessory. If I weren't wearing a headband now, then I'd put it on, but you can gauge what it's like. A big cloud headband there. I like the colour as well. So there's that. Next, we got a product from Rituals. This is the Ritual of Ayurveda. This is a nourishing, rich body oil, Indian rose and sweet almond oil. There's 30ml here, and this size has a value of around £7. This is one of my favourite scents from Rituals. It is beautiful. Initially, I was thinking, no, I'm not going to like it because it's got rose in it, but it's so nice. Yeah, I like Indian rose. I just don't like English rose. Yeah, it is nice. I've tried this many times and I've received it in lots of different beauty boxes. The rich body oil offers deep and instant hydration whilst keeping your skin soft and protected, especially during the cold winter months. So you got body oil from Rituals. We've got a product from Revolution. This is 0.5% retinol with rosehip seed oil. Brilliant. Super high strength formula, conditioning and fine line serum. Encourages even skin tone, helps condition skin, and as always vegan and cruelty free, and it's 30ml. This is full size and it retails for £10. There. Ooh. Let's see what it says online. Targeting a host of skincare concerns from uneven texture to fine lines and wrinkles, the Powerhouse Serum works to promote a smoother, more radiant complexion. Featuring 0.5% retinol, the formula promotes cell turnover, helping to combat dullness and texture while offering anti-aging benefits. Rosehip seed oil is rich in vitamin C, helping to brighten and even the complexion. So yeah, if you're used to using retinols, then you'll be fine. 0.5 is not really high strength. If you're not used to using it, then yeah, I'd go slow, just in case. You just experience stinging and redness. Now the last 3 items, they've each got a variation. So I got mascara by Benefit. This is Bad Girl Bang. It's a luxe size and it's worth £9, and it's a black volumizing mascara. I really like this. Really black and pigmented, and the wand is great as well. It's good at getting right in there at the little lashes. It's one of my favourite Benefit mascaras. So you'll either receive what I've got here, or you'll receive a Pixie Brow Tamer Eyebrow Gel, and that is worth £12.90. It's a clear eye gel. There, you can see there. So if you don't get the eye gel, you'll get the mascara. Okay, next one. You'll either get what I've got, which is Colour Wow. This is a 1-minute transformation styling cream. Instantly moisturises and eliminates frizz. And there's 30 mils there, and this is worth £10. It says, to create the perfect style in just under 60 seconds, develop for colour-treated hair, this all-in-one formula transforms parched, unruly hair into glossy, polished styles without blow-drying hair from wet. Apply a small amount to frizzy and unruly areas and brush through with a flat brush to smooth away frizz. So you'll either get that, or, oh, this phone keeps on going off, or you'll get a Style Dry Prep and Polish Cream, 50 mils worth £10. What's this then? This lightweight hair primer is enriched with horsetail plant extract, which helps to improve hair growth, reduce dandruff and boost scalp circulation, leaving your locks feeling nourished and soft. This is a primer for your hair. So you get one of those two. And then lastly, you'll either get a fresh soy face cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes. There's 15 mils here, and it has a value of £4.50. A 3-in-1 gel formula to remove makeup, enhance hydration and respect skin's natural pH balance. It helps to cleanse makeup, including waterproof mascara with a non-stripping formula. And then it goes on telling you how to use it. So you'll either receive this, or you'll receive a Rhodial Vitamin C Papaya Enzyme Scrub, 20 mils, worth £15. Wow, that's a bit of a jump, isn't it? From £4.50 to £15. They're both deluxe sizes. It's cooling and lightweight. This brightening face mask contains 5% pure vitamin C to visibly reduce the appearance of wrinkles and age spots, plus an exfoliating cocktail powered by 10% AHAs and glycolic and lactic acid that resurfaces skin to reveal a renewed and glowing visage. I've used them both, and they're both really nice products. So you'll either get a face mask or a face cleanser. And there you go. Those are all the products in this month's Lookfantastic monthly beauty box. We'll all receive 3 of the same products. We've got the headband, the body oil, and the retinol and rosehip seed oil serum. And then the last 3 are variations, and these are my variations. For me, the standout products are these 2. The headband, it's a little bit different, isn't it? And yeah, it'll come in use, definitely. And the retinol serum, it sounds really great. So yeah, so those 2 are the standout products for me. The others, I've seen them regularly in different beauty boxes, maybe Lookfantastic as well. So nothing new, but obviously I'm unboxing boxes all the time. But as always, I'd love to know what you think. Have you received your box yet? Or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I subscribe this month? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.